Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine and today's tutorial is on how to make these cute and simple star mirrors. You can make them in gold or silver, any color you want, and it's perfect to fill up that empty wall space you may have. With that being said, let's get started with the materials. So to get started, go ahead and clean the mirror to remove any dirt or fingerprints that may be on it, and then tape it down with painter's tape to prevent any potential scratches while crafting. And make sure to trim off any excess tape. Now bring over your piece of cardboard and trace the mirror and create a cardboard circle. This will be used as the back of the mirror, so set it aside for later. Now I will be creating a diagram behind the mirror. This will be used to place my sticks, and I am doing it by cutting the circle into 8s. I did not have a ruler with me, so I had to use the cardboard, and to be honest, not bad. Now in this part I will be cutting and measuring my sticks. The sizing is totally up to you. All you need is a large stick, medium stick, and a small stick. For the large and medium stick, you'll need 4 of each, and for the smallest, 8 of each. And this is a pattern I will be creating. So the final look could look like this. Once you have your sticks ready, you can start the gluing process. I started gluing down by sizes, so I started with my large sticks, medium sticks, and then the smaller sticks last. And as you can see here, the smaller sticks will be glued in between of the large and medium sticks. And once your sticks are glued down, you can go ahead and spray paint. And while the paint is drying, I will be creating the back of the mirror. I'm going to be creating my own hook. And if you don't have a wire at home, you can also use a paper clip or command strips. Once the mirror is dry, you can go ahead and glue the back to the back of the mirror. And once the back is done, you can go ahead and take off the tape, which is a very satisfying part. And yes, the mirror is dirty, things happen. And this step is totally optional. I glued down some cord to give it just a different look. If you don't like the cord, totally fine. And a tip is to add tape at the end of the cord so it doesn't unravel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the alert button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ow! Stop! And this is why you tape the ends. Stop!